It's time to wire up the board, and this is the placement that I have decided on for everything. Trying to watch heat flow and keeping high voltage away from signal voltage, and this seems to work out best. I've got the drivers staggered so that once it's in the cabinet I can reach through these openings to get to the screws if I need to. Hopefully I won't need to, but they're there if I do. And I think I have everything placed to where I can get to all of the wiring once it's in place. So testing airflow, because I don't want these to get too hot. And this is Z, X, Y, Y, and I'll have A right here. Very soon I'll get a rotary axis. So, time for a test. I think that looks pretty good. It's climate controlled in here, so it's seldom above about 77, 78, but the humidity's in the low 40s to high 30s, so shouldn't be too bad. That's a 110 CFM fan, and there will be an exit fan at the top, right up here by the VFD. I think that'll work. And the 48 volt power supplies have their own fans. VFD has its own fan, so they come on as needed. So shouldn't be too warm in the cabinet, I wouldn't think.